what's going guys? Me Gyverr and welcome to another video. So basically, instead of me just showing you guys that, hey, the studio has finished renovating, I decided why not make it as a content to show you how I renovate the studio or what is the process on renovating it. So anyway, a small quick tour because this is just a part 1 on my budget YouTube studio. So make sure that you comment or like, so I'll know if I'm going to make, well, anyway, I'm going to make a step-by-step guide or maybe a video about having a studio or YouTube studio on a budget. Okay, so first of all, in my arsenal or equipments or studio equipments would be my boom mic arm or my arm something equipped with my SGC600. This is the main mic that I'm using. If you're asking why I don't use lapel, apparently there is something about it that doesn't make quite what they call this appealing to me. But the reason why I bought lapel is for other vlogging scenarios, so it's still useful. It's just that on a studio type of thing, I much prefer to use a shotgun microphone and a boom mic. So yeah, so anyway, so this is my desk. This is, oops, sorry for the hand, I'm filming with an iPhone. So this is the desk where I usually sit and review stuff. So this will be replaced very soon because it is somewhat not corresponding to the kind of new setup that I'm doing. So, but for the meantime, I'm still going to use this, but this will be replaced 100%. And yeah, you can see my other toys here. Anyway, so yeah, over here, this is my shelf, which you usually see in the background. And just a heads up, you'll be seeing a lot more soon. So if you guys are wondering what cameras is this is a DSLR. It's Nikon D3100, my very first camera, and it was a gift from my parents. And also this is the camera that I use majority of my filming career from 2011 up to 2016, if I'm not mistaken, because I switched to Canon D200D. Anyway, so this is one of my toys, which is my favorite. It's just that it's broken now. This is the first toy that I bought from Japan when I went there. You can watch my vlog in Japan in my channel, of course, if you want to watch that. Yeah. So pretty much other than that, just boxes all across the levels here. Okay, now this is the key light that I'm using. This is a somewhat soft box that is converted into a continuous light setup. So I don't know what it's called, softbox studio light. And this is the new one that I have or I ordered, which is the octagonal box. The reason why I want this one is I think per their explanation, the octagonal box has more concentrated light for the, I mean, when you face it with the subject, something like that. My English is I'm having a hard time. Anyway, so this is my desk, my B-roll desk. This is where most of the B-rolls is happening, which you already seen. But as of right now, it's a mess. It has my Onikuma headsets, tripods, and other stuff. But soon I will have a much more organized setup so I can just pull and put them correspondingly. So yeah, pretty much that's everything that you need to see. I'm really trying not to show you a lot because of the main essence of the video. I think you've seen a glimpse of the new studio that I will be making over there. So anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you do, press thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this. And also, if you want to have that YouTube budget setup, step-by-step guide, and that includes everything, make sure to comment that down below. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video, and apologize if some of the contents right now are gonna be like this because, as I said, I'm doing some things for the channel and I'm doing some things for the video, which is also for the channel, and some things for my regular for my other life. So yeah, and again, thank you guys for supporting. So bye bye.